people so in love with you. Let that love not fade away. Down in the forest where the trees are whispering, our sages sat down to pray. In meditation and contemplation, liberation they attain. Bless our country, Lord God of power and might. Bless our angel today. We are children of a people so in love with you. Let that love not fade away. Let that love not fade away.
It is a matter of wisdom, dedication, and values. On behalf of the entire school family, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Reverend Dr. Martin, Assistant Manager, Father Jivan, and Director, Sister Philo. We are grateful for your constant encouragement and leadership which shape the future of our institution. Your presence motivates our students to grow not only academically but also as responsible and disciplined citizens of India. दो सलामी तिरंगे को जिसमें हमारी शान है, दो सलामी तिरंगे को जिसमें हमारी शान है, सर अपना ऊंचा रखना जब तक तुम में जान है. May I now request our respected chief guest, Reverend Dr. Martin, to kindly hoist the national flag. Let us stand in attention and salute our tricolor with pride and respect.
जनगण विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
की पहचान बने, तिरंगा लहराए शान से भारत की पहचान बने, संविधान हमें अधिकार दे, सच्चाई की राह चले, वीरों के बलिदान से मिली आजादी की यह सौगात, हर दिल में देशभक्ति जगे, भारत बने विश्व विख्यात. Good morning, our respected Reverend Dr. Martin, Assistant Manager Father Jivan, our Director Sister Philo, honorable teachers and my dear students. A very warm welcome to everyone on this proud occasion of 77th Republic Day. Today, we celebrate the day when our Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950, making India a sovereign democratic republic. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and pledge to be responsible citizens of our great nation. Let us begin our program with dignity and patriotism. Music has the power to ignite patriotism in our hearts. Let us enjoy a beautiful patriotic group song presented by our talented students.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
A big round of applause for our to understand.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. Our manager, Reverend Dr. Martin, our assistant manager, Reverend Father Jevin, our director, Sister Philo, teachers and all my dear friends. This day reminds us of Republic Day. On 26 January 1950, our country adopted the constitution and became a republic. This day also reminds us that our country is governed by the laws made by the people for the people. Our constitution is a written framework which lays down the fundamental rights and duties of a citizen of this country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also considered as the father of our Indian constitution, played a very major and a crucial role in forming this important document, ensuring justice, liberty, fraternity, and equality for all. Our constitution teaches us that every citizen is equal, regardless of their birth, their age, their caste, their gender, their color, etc. So let us pledge to be united and make India proud. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Akshay. It's deep meaning. For that, I would like to call Arush of class 7C.
Today I, Arush Patyal, would like to present a meaningful poem by Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear. It reminds us of the values our country stands for: freedom, courage, and truth. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that level of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Wonderful recitation. Thank you, Arush. India is a land of rich culture and diversity. Our students will depict the diversity spirit and vibrancy of India. To celebrate this spirit, let us enjoy a vibrant cultural dance performance by our students.
तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा, गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ। मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ। मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ। मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ। हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रोको ना सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको ना जज्बों की उड़ानों को, रोको ना आंखों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है। जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। ओ, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है। जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। रात की सुगंध भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी। गगन कहे जय हवा।
Many heroes work silently for our freedom, whose stories deserve to be remembered. To highlight their sacrifices, we invite Dhruv of Class 7B, Aradhya of Class 7th A, for a speech on unsung heroes of India.
माइक सेट कर दे।
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I would like to speak about a forgotten freedom fighter of India whose name is not mentioned in our textbook. His name is Tilaka Manjhi. I would like to tell that I get know about him from my mother. Told that he belonged to a village region. That elders they still remember his courage and sacrifice. Tilaka Manjhi was born around the year 1715 Bihar. He belonged to very poor tribal family. His parents were simple for his people. It had no land, no wealth and no education. They earned their living by farming and collecting forest produce. Even in poverty, they taught him honesty, courage. Tilaka Manjhi saw his parents suffer. British officers and local landforms treated tribal people very badly. They took their land and forced them to work, seeing injustice made deep impact on him. His parents taught him never to accept injustice silently, even if life became difficult. As he grew up, Tilaka Manjhi decided to stand against British rule. His life was full of difficulties and sacrifices.
He had no army, no modern weapon, and no powerful support. He lived in forests, faced hunger, fear, and danger every day. But he never gave up fighting for his people. The British considered him a threat and finally captured him in 1785. Tilaka Manji was executed by the British, but his courage and sacrifice could not be erased. On this Republic Day, let us remember Tilaka Manji and all these silent heroes whose stories live on through families. Thank you and Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Good morning to everyone. Today, on the proud occasion of 26 January, I want to speak about a known freedom fighter from Banaras. His name is Babu Shiv Prasad Gupta. I repeat, his name is Babu Shiv Prasad Gupta. Before I like to start my speech, I like to tell you how I came to know about him. I came to know about him by my grandfather. He told me that he was my good friend of my great-grandfather. That's why the story is very close to my heart. Babu Shiv Prasad Gupta was born in 1883 in Banaras. He was born in a business family. His parents were fully disciplined, and from very young age, his parents taught him that wealth is meaningful only when it is used for good purposes of others. Even though he belonged to a well-known family, still his journey was not easy because during that time, speaking against the British government was dangerous. People who support freedom movement were watching closely, faced pressure and often threats. He chose the path of sacrifice instead of comfort. He was deeply inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and joined non-cooperation movement. He boycotted British instruction and encouraged others to do the same. Because of this, British kept a close eye on him. One of the biggest difficulties he faced was that he decided to use his own money for the nation's behalf. He believed that education was the strongest weapon against the British rule. He also helped in establishing Kashi Vidyapeeth in Banaras to provide education free from British control. Even after doing so much for India's freedom, his name is still not remembered by many. But freedom fighters like Babu Shiv Prasad Gupta worked silently so we could live in a free country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you for enlightening us. A future lies in the dream of our children. Let us listen to Paridhi of 4th C as she shares her dream and hope for our nation.
Good morning to our manager, Reverend Dr. Martin, our assistant manager, Reverend Father Jivan, our director, Sister Philo, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Paridhi. I'm 8 years old. Today, on Republic Day celebration, I want to tell you or share with you how I want my country to be. I want an India where I am safe. I want an India where everyone is equal. I want an India where there is no crime. I want an India where girls and boys are respected. I want an India where no child sleeps hungry. I want an India where everyone helps each other. I want an India where air is clean and trees are green. I want an India where truth and honesty wins. I want an India where I am safe. This is the country for my dreams. I promise to be a good citizen and make my country proud. So repeat after me. Jai Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Beautiful thought, Paridhi. May your dreams come true. A song that beats in every Indian heart. A song fills our eyes with pride and our souls with love for our motherland. Let us now
Let us now immerse ourselves in patriotic spirit as the students present the song Sare Jahan Se Acha.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा पंचाया आसमां का पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा पंचाया आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो बादशाह हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ गुलशन है जिनके दम से लचके बना हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
Let's give them a huge applause. With us today. May I request our Chief Guest, Reverend Dr. Martin, to kindly address the gathering.
Order and welfare of your country come first, always and every time. The order, welfare, and comfort of the men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort, and safety come last, always and every time. Have you heard of these sentences? Any one of you can tell. These words are famous words which is written in one of our military academies. Have you gone to Dehradun? There is IMA, Indian Military Academy. In the hall of that Indian Military Academy, there it is written these sentences. These are very famous sentences. Any one of you have gone there? IMA, Dehradun? No, nobody has gone. Teachers, nobody. So these are famous words. These immortal words inscribed. They are inscribed at the hall of Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. While they serve as the guiding light for every commissioned soldier, they carry a profound meaning for every Indian citizen, and we celebrate India's Republic Day. Today, as we mark the anniversary of the day of our Constitution came into force, we celebrate more than just a historical date. We celebrate the values of sovereignty, justice, and liberty. This motto perfectly encapsulates the spirit of a republic. The safety, the first sentence which is written in the whole of IMA Academy, the safety, honor, and welfare of your country come first. This speaks to the collective good. A republic thrives when its citizens recognize the importance of the nation's well-being and are willing to contribute to its safety and progress. On Republic Day, we remember that our individual freedoms are protected by the strength and unity of the nation. The second sentence, the honor, welfare, and comfort of the men you command come next. While originally for those in command, this principle extends to all of us as citizens. It reminds us of our responsibility towards our fellow countrymen, especially those who are marginalized or in need. A true republic is one where the welfare of every citizen is valued and protected. The third sentence, your own ease, comfort and safety come last. This is not about self-neglect, but about a willingness to prioritize the greater good when called upon. It's about civic responsibility, about contributing to society, and about the sacrifice made by countless individuals for the nation's freedom, like Gandhiji, and security. As we celebrate Republic Day, let's reflect on these words and their relevance to our lives as citizens. Let's recommit to upholding the values of our republic and working together for a strong and more prosperous India. Jai Hind. All of you together, Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you. Father, for your motivating words and valuable guidance. As today's wonderful celebration comes to a close, it is time to acknowledge and thank all those who contributed to its success. I request Apurva to kindly deliver the word of thanks.
Respected Reverend Dr. Martin, Assistant Manager, Father Jivan, Director Sister Phil, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. On the behalf of the school family, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made today's Republic Day celebration a grand success. I sincerely thank our honorable chief guests for sharing their valuable time and inspiring us with meaningful words. My special thanks to Reverend Father Martin, Assistant Manager Father Jivan, Director Sister Philo for their constant guidance and encouragement. I also thank our teachers and students for their performances and disciplined participation. Your dedication truly made this program memorable. With this, I conclude the program. Thank you all and Jai Hind.
With this, we come to the end of today's celebration. Let us always remember our duties as responsible citizens and work together for a strong and united India. Thank you everyone for your presence and cooperation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.